I'm going to show you how to make this really cute one-piece triangular box. What you'll need to make this box is I'm using an 8 1/4 inch square. It doesn't need to be double-sided, but an 8 1/4 inch square. I actually have found this paper and I think it's really very nice. It comes in all kinds of patterns. It's from Tuttle and it's traditional Japanese designs. It comes in many sizes or many colors and patterns. So let's start our box. You're going to start your fold with your pattern side down, and we're going to just fold it in half in both directions. Now what you're going to do is fold all of the edges towards the center crease. This is a cupboard fold. Okay, now what you're going to do now is you're going to make 2 small hems on opposite sides of each other, and it's about 5 millimeters. It doesn't have to be measured exactly, but I'm going to do about a 5 millimeter in that range little hem on both sides, opposite sides. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to hold my paper, position it like this, and I'm going to divide this area in half. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to fold the bottom edge up, this bottom edge up to this first crease, or the farthest crease. And I will make a nice crease. Now I've divided this part in half. Now the next thing that's good to do is we're going to make, we have to make a score line, or we have to fold this from here to here on both sides. And what I found that's easiest really is to just make a score line ahead of time. Rather than trying to fold it, I just use a nice scoring tool and I make a score line, because it's just not that easy to make a fold in the middle of the paper like this. So I think it's just good to start, get a nice start that way. So just do that on both sides. And we want the point, we want it to be pointing outwards, this angle. Just doing that will really make things a lot better. All right, now what you're going to need to do is, we're basically ready to fold the box. So I'm folded, these are the sides. I'm just going to fold these up. And what we need to do is we need to make these folds actually, we actually need to make them now. So I'm just going to fold this. It's already scored for me, so it makes it just a little bit easier. You could just find that score line and crease it. Not making a new one, I'm just going to find the one I just made and give that a crease. I'm going to do this on the other side. Now that I have those creases, now I can start to collapse and fold my box. One thing that I find is easy to do, makes it a little easier, is once I get these folds, I'm not making any new creases, I'm just kind of getting these folds ready. This will be Just going to do this, and I have these little points that need to come up. These little points need to be up and out like this. And then all of these things are going to get folded together. But the way that I think that this works the best is you'll want to get this side, so this little edge here, and this side needs to come together. So just fold that and make them match, just like that. And then go inside and crease that on the inside. It feels a little clumsy, but it really makes the job of putting it together easy. So I'm just going to press inside here. It's hard, you won't be able to see this, but I'm going to show you once I'm done. Here we go. That little crease inside there needs to happen. So I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm going to fold it in. I'm going to make this edge match. This long edge is going to lay right on top of that side, that creased side. Really want to get that nice there, like that. And then I'm just going to crease inside here, like that. Now that helps with that part. And this part here we need to do the same thing. This edge needs to lay on top of that. And when we do that, and we just bring it over and kind of just lay that so that it kind of naturally lays right over there and lines up on this side. And then I'm going to just crease with my finger right here on the inside. I'll do the same on this one. Holding it, getting those sides to line up. There it goes. And then creasing on the inside. There. Now everything is ready. Now we're just going to take this top part and we're going to use, this is a tab and this will be the pocket. So we've got these little pocket areas here in the front. You can see right here, that's the pocket. This is what I'm going to tuck into the pocket. Sometimes it's good to just glue that down if you want to make it easier. I'm going to try to do this without gluing it, but sometimes it just makes it a little easier to glue it in. But I'm just going to slide that inside this little pocket. And now that I've got all the end. That's why I say the glue sometimes helps at the top. But I'm just going to give it another try. Now I slide it all the way down and it locks into place and the sides are really nice and put together. And this is just a really nice box to use as a table decoration. You could put a little message or a little gift inside, or for a party favor or a wedding. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you could make one and have a really great day.